Hey everyone, welcome to the first lecture video for ECE 106. This lecture series for Chapter 1, Mathematical Foundations, is basically a quick overview of various mathematical concepts that aren't just really important to understand, but will make life a lot easier when we move on to more difficult E&M questions. So this chapter is going to summarize a whole bunch of mathematical concepts that you've probably already learned in Math 117, Math 115, and potentially high school. Some new topics you may not have encountered before would be cylindrical and spherical coordinates. Being able to recognize which coordinate system to use and when to apply them is really important in this course, and it's going to allow us to solve a lot of problems, not just in this course, but many other courses that you'll be taking now and in the future. Before we move on to the good stuff, I want to remind everyone that it's extremely essential that you don't fall behind in this course. Just think about this as mathematical foundations. This is the foundation to everything else we need to be able to understand in ECE 106. So my suggestion would be to practice as many problems as you can, self-reflect on your performance. Personally, it took me quite a bit of time to be able to do it myself, but as someone who's been in your shoes not too long ago, being able to recognize your weaknesses and confronting them early on is going to give you a much better chance at overcoming them throughout the course. So don't leave things till the last minute. If you're struggling with anything, come talk to me or Professor Sami, and we'll help as much as we can. So to start off, please go to the lecture notes on Learn and do the Diagnostics quiz without Googling anything. Test your knowledge and, be honest with yourself. After you're done, compare your answers with the notes. And if you're right, then that's awesome. These videos might not be as important to you as they will be to some others. If you are struggling with the diagnostics quiz, then you might have to brush up on some skills. So the next few videos here are going to be extremely helpful for you to get up to speed with what you need for this course. So remember that we'll be releasing weekly problem sets after every week that are going to provide you with ample amounts of practice problems ranging from low, medium to high-end challenging problems. It's up to you to take your studies into your own hands. So when we release these problem sets, it's really important that you do go through them. They're supposed to be 3 hours each of practice. Do go through them. If you're struggling with anything, seek help. And there will be many opportunities throughout the week in terms of office hours from both professors for the combined sections, as well as support from the TAs.